that you are too broke to get into the stock market. You are too broke to start trading and investing in the stock market. I'm here to tell you that. All right. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What's up, everybody? This is Courtney with the Flex Financial Investment Group. Welcome back to the channel. And if you will, before we get into today's video, take a quick minute to like, subscribe. Also, if you like our content, definitely share it out. Our channel is all about educating people on the stock market, and we really cater towards working professionals, business owners, high-level professionals, entrepreneurs that are looking to get into the market and learn flexible strategies to really get you some amazing results, right? We are more than a trading program and group. We are an investment group. We're here to not only show you how to build and make quick money out of the stock market, but we're also here to show you how to build wealth and generational wealth as well. So that is a big part of what we do here. So if you like that, definitely like and subscribe to our videos, and we definitely appreciate your support as we're continuing to grow our YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm here to tell you that you are too broke to get into the stock market. You are too broke to start trading and investing in the stock market. I'm here to tell you that. All right. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That is a joke. So today I want to do a quick video just talking about that misconception that a lot of people have that you need a ton of money to get started in the stock market, and that kind of keeps you on the sidelines, right? That is a big misconception out there from a lot of people in that middle class to lower class. A lot of us weren't raised with the mentality and the education on getting into the stock market. So it's foreign to a lot of people. We think that the stock market and investing is only for people with a lot of money, only for rich people, and it's something that I can never do. So I'm here to tell you that that is a total lie. That is a total misconception that has been passed down, that we got to break starting today. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are starting to break that cycle and that mentality that that you can't do it because you need a certain amount of money, right? I'm telling you now, with the major brokers out there, it costs nothing to open up a trading account. So number one, there's no cost there to even getting started. A lot of times there's no minimums to getting into the market, and there's no minimum, investments that you need, right? But I will say this: it does take money. It does take money to make money, right? When it comes to trading and investing in the stock market, it does take money to make money. But there's nothing wrong with starting out small, right? Starting out small, starting where you are. And I always tell people, if you can't get into the market and you're just starting out, you can't do a lot of trading and do a lot of activity, then what you want to do is you want to start out as an investor first. Start to learn about how the stock market works. Maybe pick one or two good quality companies, right? Companies that are well-known, companies that maybe some brands that you use, that you've done a little research and homework on. You can start there. And I'll tell you a good place to start is with stocks that pay a dividend. But maybe you can start out there and start just buying one or two shares of stock at a time. Be an investor first. Start to learn how it works before you dive all in and start putting your money all into the market. In order to do that, it's very easy to start out small. Start out with just a few $100s to put into the stock market and build it up from there. Start out as an investor first before you become a trader. A lot of people get so excited with the idea of trading and making fast money that they want to get rich overnight that they lose sight on the investing part of it and just learning how to put your money to work. And that right there is a great place to start for people that don't have a lot of money getting into the market. If you're starting out small, there's nothing wrong with that. Just start out as an investor first. Start looking for good companies to put your money into. Start getting a solid understanding on how the market works. And then you start to grow and build from there. One of the most important things you can do if you're serious about getting into the market and putting your money to work is not only starting out where you can and starting out with whatever money you have, but then also continue to contribute and build on that, right? So once you establish your brokerage account, that means establishing a regular deposit into your account, right? With whatever you can afford, work that into your budget, and then that will add to the amount of money that you can start to put into the market. That will build up your overall account as you're learning how to contribute money to your account. And then when you contribute that money, you're just buying a little bit at a time and putting your money to work in the market, and you're being an investor first, and you're getting a clear understanding of how the market works. So it's not true. You're not too broke to get into the stock market. What you probably don't have is the right financial education, right? And that can make you feel like you're lacking and you're too broke to do things, but it's totally not true. It's just a matter of finding the right information and getting your steps in order to getting you where you want to be. And that's a big part of what we do in the Flex Financial Investment Group. We are here to dispel that type of mindset and that misinformation that you need all this money to get started in the stock market. We're going to get that out of your mind. We're going to get you started where you are and crawl before you walk. Start out slowly and build up from there. There's nothing wrong with that. We all got to start somewhere, especially if this information wasn't passed down from your family. You didn't grow up with this type of information. We all got to start somewhere, and there's nothing wrong with crawling before you walk. So it's not true. You're not too broke to get started in the stock market. Most of the major brokers out there cost nothing to open an account. We like TD Ameritrade. That's our recommended broker. However, there's a lot of good brokers out there. That's just a broker that we've been using for a long time. We don't get any money from them or any endorsements from them. We just like their service. So check them out if you don't have a good broker yet. I think TD Ameritrade is a great place for beginners as well, a great broker for beginners as well as people that have been in the market for a while now. But start where you are. That's the main thing. Start where you are. Start with what you have, right? Put that into the market. Learn how to find good companies, good quality companies to get into first. And like I said, companies that pay dividends are a great place to start. So you can start to check out some companies that pay dividends, some well-known brands. A great place to start is in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, 30 of the top companies in the U.S., and then also in the S&P 500, right? And you can Google that. You can bring up a list of all these companies and start there, right? And start to recognize some of the brands that you've used before and do a little reading, do a little homework about them. You're not going to know everything, but again, you're starting where you're at, and then learn to just pick one or two good companies, start small, and then start to build from there. There's no minimums, nothing required to get started. You just got to get started. And then from there, continue seeking and searching for the right information, the right knowledge to help you continue to grow and learn in your financial education. And a great place to start when it comes to the education part is with the Flex Financial Investment Group. We got you there. You can go to our website, flexfinancialtg.com, start to check us out and see if we might be a good fit or a good place for you to start. But either way, if you don't even start with us, start somewhere, right? That's what it's all about. Get that out of your mind that you need a ton of money to get going. The key is just to get going, start with where you are, and build from there. So that's my quick video for today. You're not too broke to get into the stock market. That's a complete joke. Just get started where you are, and you can start with us. We'll help you get you where you want to be. So check us out. All right, that's it for today. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Again, like, subscribe, share, do all that good YouTube stuff. We appreciate that and your support as we continue to grow our channel. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.